Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a security like fingerprints or other in your Samsung A80. To this operation, go to your settings and search for lock screen here. Lock type, and you can choose the pattern, pin, password on fingerprints if you want. Let's check it out for fingerprints. Continue. The second security for the fingerprints gonna be set like pattern. Continue. And as you see, you should place your fingerprint here on the screen. So let's scan it a few times. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of the fingerprint. Yes? Okay. So let's try to get the edges of my finger. Maybe I don't have fingerprint here. Yep, that's it, done. Choose the option which you want to see on the lock screen here. Done. I agree. No, I don't want to sync on the Google for now. That's it. Let's try it out. Pattern now. Let's check for the fingerprints. Yes, it's really work perfect. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!